So today we are going to take a flashback to 3rd grade doing some long division. Without a calculator, divide the following. So looking at number 1, we have 621 divided by 3. Now there's a trick to figure out if a number is divisible by 3. You add the digits. So 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, therefore 621 is divisible by 3. So let me just show you the long division in case you never learned it in elementary school. So first thing you do is, how many times does 3 go into 6? Well, it goes into it twice. And then you multiply. 2 times 3 is 6, so you subtract. That'll give you 0. You bring down your second number. How many times does 3 go into 2? Well, none. Okay, so you put a 0. And you bring down the third digit. Well, how many times does 3 go into 21? 7 times. So your answer is 207. The next one, 1204 divided by 4. The trick doesn't work with this one as it does with 3, so we just got to do straight long division. So 1204 divided by 4. So 4 goes into 1 0 times. Okay, so you just bring it down. Well, 4 goes into 12 3 times, and that will give you 12, so you subtract. You bring down your next term, which is a 0. 4 goes into 0 0 times. Bring down your last number there. 4 goes into 4 1 time, so your answer is 301.